In this question, we have to determine which set of three numbers is a Pythagorean triple. So remember, a Pythagorean triple would be something like 3, 4, 5, where if we took 3 and squared it, and we took 4 and squared it, and added those together, we would get the same number as if you were to take 5 and square it. So let's start with A. Check that one out. So if I take A, I've got 6 squared plus 8 squared should be equal to 14 squared if it's a Pythagorean triple. So 6 squared plus 8 squared should be equal to 14 squared. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. 14 squared is 196. This adds to 100. So we know that our answer is definitely not A. Let's have a look at B. Here I've got 6 squared plus 8 squared equal to 100 squared. Now, we know that 6 squared plus 8 squared is 100, so we know it's definitely not 100 squared. So B is out. So let's move on to C. For C, we've got 8 squared plus 15 squared equal to 17 squared. Now 8 squared is 64. 15 squared is 225. And 17 squared is 289. Now if we add up 64 and 225, we're going to get 289 equal to 289. So that means that C is my Pythagorean triple.